Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to flatten the nested arrays by using flat array method in JavaScript. So flat array method is basically used to flatten the nested arrays. So by flatten means it will get rid of all the nested arrays and return a new array with all the elements at the same level. So let's understand with a quick example. Here I have a nested array called array1. So let's call flat method const flattened array equals array1 dot flat. So let's console this console.log flattened array. So on the right hand side in the console you can see it did get rid of all the nested arrays and returned one big array with all the elements at the same level, right? Suppose if I have a deeper nested array, so let's go one level deep, something like this. So here on the right hand side you can see, so still have a nested array, it's not completely flattened out. So how to flatten these type of arrays? So for that, this flat method will receive a parameter called depth, which will measure the level for how much deeper an array should be flattened out. So by default the level is 1. So here I have a level 2 nested array, so let's pass 2 here. So immediately on the right hand side you can see there are no more nested arrays. I have one big array with all the elements at the same level. And again, what if we don't know the exact number or how much deeper is the nested array? So something like this. So now you can pass depth as infinity. So no matter how much level or how much deeper is the nested array, so it will always flatten it to one big array and returns. So hope you understand flat array method. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.